Is a credit card necessary? The truth is that you can manage your finances even without a credit card. However, credit cards offer convenience and security you might need depending on your financial situation. For instance, you can make immediate payments using your credit card during emergencies. Credit cards can also help you build and improve your credit rating if used responsibly. In this video, we'll explain how credit cards work and share effective ways of using them.
By the way, if you like this type of content, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button.
What is a credit card? A credit card is a physical card that offers a convenient way of making financial transactions. Using a credit card allows you to make purchases or pay bills easily without having cash in hand. Additionally, you can utilize a credit card to improve your credit rating. A credit card is a form of short-term loan. When you sign up for a credit card, the issuing bank or financial institution provides you with a credit limit, the sum you can use to make payments. Every time you use your credit card to complete transactions, your available credit decreases. Like a regular loan, you must repay the credit card company the amount you spent using your credit card. Best ways to use a credit card. Improve credit rating. Getting a credit card can help improve your creditworthiness. However, your credit rating depends on how responsible you are in repaying your debt. To build or maintain good credit, you must avoid making payment defaults. In most cases, the approval of your loan application, whether mortgages, auto loans, or any other type of financing, depends on your credit score. A good credit score allows you to take out a loan much easier, with more favorable terms and the best interest rates. Banks or financing companies are more likely to compete for consumers with higher credit scores because they represent a lower risk to the institution. Transfer credit balance. A balance transfer occurs when a customer transfers the outstanding balance from one credit card to another. Several financial institutions offer balance transfer credit cards with lower interest rates and other perks. Usually, a promotional or introductory period of 6 to 18 months is provided, allowing the customers to incur no interest charges on the transferred amount. Some credit card issuers won't charge a balance transfer fee to attract more customers. You can save a lot of money in interest payments by transferring high-interest debt to a balance transfer credit card and paying it off before the promotional period ends. However, you are still required to make on-time payments on the transferred balance and any new purchases. Or else, you might lose your introductory annual percentage rate, or APR, and incur penalties. Earn rewards. Reward credit cards offer a wide range of benefits, including free or discounted travel, lodging, transportation, and other perks. Many credit card companies will provide you with a bonus in the form of points or cash back upon signing up. Some may offer cash benefits worth hundreds of dollars when you spend over a certain amount. At the end of each billing cycle, you can see how much you have accrued in rewards and redeem it. To maximize your reward credit card, use it for purchases you already intend to make. Never use your credit card to buy something you cannot afford to repay. And choose a credit card that offers the rewards you want. Having a credit card can be convenient, but it also comes with some risks. Credit cards can help you build solid credit, eliminate high-interest debt, or earn rewards if used wisely. Maintain responsible credit card use by paying your bill in full regularly and making purchases you can easily afford to repay.
We hope this animated video has helped improve your financial literacy. We do our best to provide actionable tips that are easy to digest and implement in real life. If you want to see more of these videos, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Also, comment what makes you feel inspired, motivated, and excited.
Thank you so much.
That's more than enough to help us grow and sustain our production expenses. See you in our next video.